Hello everyone, my name is Thomas and welcome to my Lettercraft channel. I'm doing Lettercraft almost 7 years now, 5 of which it's my full-time job. Today I wanna talk about the tools you need to start lettercrafting. As we start a new thing, we don't want to spend a lot of money, so I will go through the tools which is budget friendly and tools which I suggest to invest more money and buy quality ones or first to upgrade. Worth to mention, I mostly make small minimalist wallets or card holders of vegetable tanned leather, so all the info will be my personal experience in this field. Let's start with a knife. Simple box cutter knife, it's budget friendly option which does the job very well. Blades are cheap and easy replaceable, so it's very easy to always have super sharp knife. Even now then I have 4 different knives for my job, one of these is box cutter. Later I would probably suggest to obtain some kind of scalpel knife, it makes easier to make various curved cuts. Next tool, without I can imagine leathercraft, is pricking irons. Sure, high quality pricking irons make the job a bit easier, but don't expect that quality and pricey pricking irons will make your holes nice and even. It's much more about your skill level than about the pricking irons. So it's not necessary to invest for the set of pricking irons few $100. As I said, with cheap and expensive pricking irons at the beginning your stitching holes won't be nice and even on both sides. That I can guarantee you. So it's fine to buy cheap Chinese made tools and practice and later probably upgrade. I went the same way. I had cheapest Chinese made pricking irons from AliExpress and used them for a while. Over time I upgraded to KS blade pricking irons and now have set of them. Another tool related to pricking irons is mallet. When I started I used simple rubber mallet from Home Depot. It cost up to several bucks and it worked just fine. Now I have mallet from Palo Santo factory for probably more than 10 times more expensive. Yes, it is more satisfying to work with. It has brass head covered with some kind of hard plastic and it is heavier, it makes easier to punch. But for starter definitely it's not necessary to pay $100 for a mallet. Is it worth to upgrade? Definitely when you can afford it. The tool I suggest to invest and buy quality one right away is edge beveler. When I started I had 3 different cheap edge bevelers and it's even not close to the quality and how tool work to expensive one I have now. I have couple of Palo Santo factory made edge bevelers, they do the job very well, so definitely the first tool I recommend to upgrade is edge beveler, or even don't waste money for these edge bevelers which cost less than 10 bucks. If you don't want to buy right away the tool which costs close to 100 bucks, at least don't buy the cheapest ones. Take one which costs around 20-30 bucks. Usually the price represents the quality and materials from which tool is made. If you think you will be making crafts with T-slot pockets such as this wallet, you will need a French skewer. In my opinion, it's the best tool to skive and to thin the leather for pocket pieces. Here's my thoughts and experience are the same as with edge beveler. Don't save money buying cheap tool here. Probably you also will need a divider for making stitching line. Here is absolutely fine to have cheap divider from AliExpress. I have couple from when I started and till now I'm using both. Only my recommendation would be take a divider with such adjusting screw. It's much easier for micro adjusting. Wooden slicker for the edge burnishing. Cheapest wooden slicker will work fine. I have couple of African blackwood slickers. These cost a bit more, the wood is more dense. But does it make any difference comparing to these simple wooden slickers? I won't say. Also, I would probably include metal ruler, as it makes your life easier when cutting leather. Any cheap metal ruler will work fine here. Probably these are the tools enough to start, and I would be able to make simple leathercraft just having these. We as a humans like to overcomplicate everything and think we need to invest a lot of money to get good results. Mostly not the tools but your skills make the craft look nice and neat. So start with cheap tools, gain experience, level up your skills, and over time you will be able to afford and upgrade your tools to make your crafting more satisfying hobby or even a job. That's what I wanted to share in this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer. As always, all my crafts and PDF templates you can find at my webshop strhandmade.com or my Etsy shop, links down below in the video description. Like, share, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!